know, when I was going to buy this bike, I was also looking at a bike that was in a totally different field. But I was looking at a KTM Super Duke GT, and I just got a feeling if I bought that bike, I would have enjoyed it a little too much. That would have been a ticket machine for me for sure. Sucker's like 170 horsepower. You know, and I've read a lot about that GT being a good tourer, you know, a good long-term tourer. But the comfort of a Road Glide Ultra is just, I mean, I'm sitting on a damn couch. The only more comfortable I could get is if I was on a Gold Wing. This is just unbelievably comfortable. I'm not brand loyal either. I've always wanted to have a Harley. This is my Harley. I don't know if this will be my only Harley. I'm gonna ride the hell out of it. You know, she treats me good, but I had to put a little dough in her over the year that I've had her. I said it before, but I had that Suzuki Cruiser. Oil changes, tires, that was it. This has been, I've had 2 speed sensors go, and an ABS issue. I had a starter clutch burnout. I had the rocker covers, the rear rocker cover leaking like a sieve. And you got your standard shit like the brake pads, no oil changes. This will be my turn. Off 202. But this is still my Harley, you know what I mean? It's a big mother thumping machine. I went to test ride this. Woo! That's a quick turn. When I went to test ride this, I could not believe the rumble compared to, you know, I was coming off an 800, so I knew it was going to be a big change. I expected it. I couldn't comprehend how big of a change. Fired it up and it just felt like a tank underneath me. Where you guys live, there are a lot of these solar fields. A lot of the old cornfields around us, mostly turning into solar fields now. This is up in Massachusetts anyways. That's a cute little cabin. All right. South 202. I'm not used to riding with a full face. Went to itch my nose and smack the camera and sorry about that. Moose Crossing, next 19 miles. Well, very cool. That would be something to see. One of my favorite views over the Quabbin is up here. And if I don't go flying by it, try and pull in and show you guys. However, if I go flying by it, we're just gonna say, oops. Nice to see a handful of riders out today. Nah, I think he's letting me pass, but very kind to that gentleman. You know, what's funny is I think the spot I want to pull over is coming up anyways. That's it right there. Really easy to miss. Oh, yeah, now we're talking. This is the good stuff. Oh, this is a beautiful spot. That is nice. So we're up in the northern portion over the Quabbin Reservoir. Quabbin would be kind of down below this tree line. This is the tip of it, and then it would be back behind those trees. Well, what a view. What a view. S love D. And another S.